with Sakura from Naruto's makeup inspired look. Obviously she doesn't wear makeup, I don't believe, but I did some Sakura flowers on my cheek, and then I did a pink eye, did her little triangle, and I also did her headband thingy. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Mika did help a little bit, which I inserted the clip. I just want to say it's not bad if your fiance is willing to help you. It is not bad to get help. I was getting really stressed out with the flowers. I am not an artist whatsoever, but I try to challenge myself to these makeup looks in order to, you know, find more to this talent and this hobby that I have. And I love being creative, and so like I said, I am also doing a Pinterest series, but now I'm also doing a Naruto series at the same time. I'm going to be doing all the main characters according to Google. I'm going to look up Google and look up all the main characters. Mika and I, well, Mika's more of a big fan, but I'm starting to like Naruto as well. And so yeah, this is Sakura's inspired makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I also used 2 new palettes today. These aren't technically new, but they're from my sister-in-law, and I wanted to start using them. She gave me a whole bunch of palettes to mess around with. If you guys would like to see a haul of those, I could certainly do a video on that. Just let me know in the comments, because the box is humongous and there's so many palettes to go through. So the first one I used was the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust or Dusk. I love Ace Beauty Cosmetics. They're one of my favorite cosmetic brands. And this is what this palette looks like. Very pretty shades of pink and burgundies and stuff like that. Last is another Ace Beauty, and this is Nostalgia. And again, I love this palette so much. This is probably one of the fun palettes that I could definitely do more looks with. So I hope you guys will enjoy this makeup look. I also inserted some pictures after of how Sakura looks, as well as pictures of me. So just saying, so you guys could see the little resemblance. Obviously I don't have the pink hair or whatever, but I did the best that I could, and that's why I used a lot of pink on the makeup look. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, guys. And make sure to thumbs it up, comment in the comment section, and also share with people that you know that loves makeup and that would love our channel. We have a variety of videos we do, from mukbangs to vlogs to makeup tutorials to transgender stuff to unboxings, hauls, whatever you guys like. This channel has a little bit of everything for everyone. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so first and foremost, I'm going in with the Faraseli Quenched Hydrating Moisturizing Serum. This is really good if you have dry skin. I really recommend it. I use it when I do my makeup and also when I do my skincare. I just love this stuff so much. Next, I'm going in with this Dollar Tree, yes, I said it, Dollar Tree lotion. It is amazing. It's really thick but very hydrating to the skin. I love it for both times, makeup and skincare. It's just amazing. Next, I'm going to do my brows. Guys, I have been getting so much better at doing my brows, and I just love this brow bar thing that I got from BoxyCharm. It's amazing. For eyeshadow primer potion or eyeshadow primer, I'm going with the Urban Decay primer potion. It works wonders. And I'm also placing some primer where I'm putting the color for the flowers. So you guys heard that I'm doing a Sakura makeup look, and I decided, you know, she's from Naruto or whatever, but her name is the same as the flowers, so I thought I would add the flowers to the look just to make it stand out and be different and unique. I had spent countless of hours looking on Pinterest for people's inspired Sakura makeup looks, and they basically had basic or nothing. So I wanted to be different, and so I came up with it on my own, and I loved how it turned out. So here I am applying this pink color. I am just blending it out the best I can. Then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Breakup eyeliner, and this stuff is amazing. This one was actually drying out on me. You guys are gonna see that. I actually have a backup one, thankfully, because I purchased 2. So I'm just drawing the flowers as good as possible. So I only did half of a flower to make it look cool, kind of like if it was blowing off my face. I just want to say that I'm not an artist in any way, shape, or form. The reason why I'm challenging myself is because I want to try to get better at my artistic skills when it comes to makeup and like the face area. And so I found that doing these things really challenges me and I like it. I do get overwhelmed, which Micah sometimes comes and helps if I ever need help, but he didn't have to help with the flowers because I just kind of calmed myself down throughout and I just kept going at it, kept trying. I had to like restart over, take off the makeup, put it back. That is what you guys don't see because I cut all that out just because I don't want this video to be extremely long. But finally I got it and this is how amazing it looked. I think it looks amazing in my opinion. For somebody who can't draw, it definitely looks amazing. So then I'm going in with the Dose of Colors Baked Browns and I'm using this shadow. I hit pan on it already, but this is my favorite base for on top of my primer. I just think it really helps to bring out the colors instead of using like a crown, like a jumbo pencil. This really works better in my opinion because it's not as tacky and it just settles into my eyelid comfortably. So I'm going in with this darker pink in the crease, kind of making the triangle on the outside because as you guys can see on this side, I can't really put a lot of concealer because it's going towards the flower and I didn't want to mess up the flower, but I'm blending it as much as I can using this blending brush that I love. It's one of my favorite blending brushes and I'm doing it now on the other eye. I'm sorry that I ducked down, guys. I have like a tendency of like not sitting in correct full positions that you're supposed to, and so I didn't realize how far I was looking down, so I apologize if it cuts off a little bit. Next, I'm going in with the NYX concealer and I'm applying this to my eyelid because I'm going to be adding this really pretty sparkly pink glittery eyeshadow and I wanted it to kind of like be more of like the center of attention kind of thing for the eye because the background of the pink is just because Sakura is like, you know, pink. She has pink hair and stuff like that. So I'm trying to make this glittery one kind of pop. So now I'm going in with this palette and I'm going to be applying this to the lid. And I use my middle finger and I want to apologize. It looks like I'm flipping you guys off, but I promise I'm not. I'm just applying it with my finger because there are some eyeshadows that just apply better with your fingers. That's why I tell you guys always wash your hands before you do your makeup. And I always wash my hands before I do my makeup. So that is why I'm applying it with my finger because I think it applies better to the lid. Here I am doing the concealer. As you guys can see, I do attempt to try it on the flower side. I was being really, how would you say it, risky there, trying to get it, and it worked. So here I am just applying the concealer and patting it in. So here comes Micah to the rescue. I am frustrated beyond belief, and here he is being the husband that he is and applying the diamond to my eye, or my middle of my forehead that Sakura has, and he was helpful a lot. I needed to breathe. I needed a break. So I love you, Micah. Thank you for that. And here we come back in with that eyeshadow palette. So I'm blending two colors here. So if you guys didn't know, Sakura kind of has her outfit and it's kind of like a burgundy, but in some pictures it looks red, some pictures it looks darker. So I just mixed two colors. I mixed this like brownish pink with a purple color and I feel like it really got it and I was happy with the results. So here I am first applying that brownish pink color and then I'm going in with this color, which is this purple color, and adding that on top of there and kind of blending them together. I think it made it look almost similar to her outfit and I was really happy with the results. So I'm applying it to both lower lash line and just blending it inwards and making sure that both colors are blending together perfectly. For eyeliner, we're going in with Tristique, which is the eyeliner I am obsessed with. It's the only eyeliner I'm grabbing, even though I own like 10 other eyeliners. This is the eyeliner that I love so much. Then I'm going in with that mascara that I recently purchased and my eyelash curler, curling those lashes You know, fun fact, I used to not curl my lashes until Micah told me about it. I used to be that girl that would just apply mascara. And he's like, why haven't you ever tried an eyelash curler? And he changed my life from that. I really like eyelash curlers. He actually learned that from his cousins and his sister. So I was really thankful that he paid attention to that because I never knew about that. But anyways, here I am applying that mascara to my lower lashes and my top lashes. I have the shittiest lashes, though. I'm not even gonna lie. Sorry for my cussing, but I'm not gonna lie. I have the crappiest lashes ever. So I always use false lashes because I think it just brings out my confidence a little bit more. Even though I do love my eyelashes, don't get me wrong. I mean, that's me. But I feel like false lashes just really pop the looks. You know, like here we go. You guys can see. It just pops the looks. And here I am just applying the other lash. I applied one off camera just because I didn't want to take a lot of time. And you guys have already seen me apply both lashes in multiple makeup tutorials. So I just tried to do it a little bit faster. Then we're applying some concealer. Then we're going in with our foundation, which is my favorite, the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. And I'm applying this all over my face and also down my neck. I apply more down my neck off camera. You guys won't see that. Like I said, I was just trying to cut some parts out because this did take me a little longer than normal because I kept messing up with the flowers. And so I kept having to go back and like refix and everything. But I finally got it. We got it. It looks amazing. I'm really proud and really happy with the results. So we're just blending that and patting that into my face, and then I'm going in with this e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo that my sister-in-law also let me have. I'm using the blush in there and just applying some blush. I also apply blush along my nose and on my inner cheeks area because, you know, with anime girls, they blush right there, and Sakura turns red a lot right there, so I applied that. And then I'm going in with this Ofra highlight. This is my favorite highlight. I'm so sad it's almost gone. It's been a really, really fun thing to use. It is so pigmented. I love it so much. Then I'm going in with this Ace Beauty Peachy lip liner, and then I'm going in with a pink lipstick, and the reason why is because I was trying to get like a mauve-y pink, so I thought like a peach and a pink together would make like a mauve color, and it actually did. This lipstick is by Revlon and it's in Stormy Pink, but those two combined, so the Ace Beauty Peachy lip liner and this lipstick made the most beautiful pinkish mauve lip. I love it. Last but not least, there is me using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Here is the finished look. And here are some pictures I took. I really like how this came out. I am very happy with the results. I'm proud of myself for not giving up. I also included some Sakura pictures to show you guys what she kind of looks like and what my inspiration came from. So the last two pictures are from PixArt, so all credit to the rightful owners. I am just using it just to show you guys. But here they are. I hope you guys enjoy until next time. We love you guys. Make sure to comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Bye. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.